In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Semrush Pro for free. Now I know that accessing premium tools without breaking the bank can be challenging, but don't worry. I'm here to help you unlock Semrush Pro features without any cost. The legitimate way to do this is by taking advantage of Semrush's free trial offer. Typically, Semrush offers a 7-day free trial on their website. However, by using special affiliate links, you might just be able to access a 14-day trial. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever browser suits your fancy. Once that's open, go ahead and search for Semrush in the search bar. You'll be presented with a variety of options, but you'll want to look for the official Semrush website, which should be among the top results. Upon landing on the Semrush homepage, look for the option that says Try for Free. This should be prominently displayed, given that free trials are a popular entry point for new users. Click on that link, and it should take you to a page where you can start the sign-up process. Now, in order to create your Semrush account, you'll need to enter your email address and set a strong password. Alternatively, you might find it easier to sign up using your Google account, which can save you some typing and keep your credentials managed in one place. Once you've got your account set up in progress, it's time to move on to activating that free trial. To do this, you'll need to enter your credit card details. Semrush uses this information to perform a $1 authorization charge to verify your card. But don't worry, this is standard practice for many online services, and that charge will indeed be refunded to you. After completing these steps, you'll have access to the full suite of Semrush Pro features for the duration of the trial period. This is the perfect opportunity to explore all that Semrush has to offer, whether you're conducting keyword research, analyzing your website's SEO performance, or checking out the competition. And there you have it. You're now ready to make the most of your free Semrush Pro trial. Remember, it's a limited time offer, so be sure to take full advantage of all the features available during this period. Enjoy exploring Semrush, and I hope it opens up new insights and opportunities for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.